Hello, welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in this time around. Do you like using leaves for your moi moi or eeran as against using nylon that is dangerous to health? Discover the best way to preserve moi moi leaves, which we call eeran or atere, and keep them fresh for months. In this video, I will show you a simple method to maintain their natural look, taste, and medicinal benefits, perfect for making delicious, healthy moi moi or eeran. Whether you are in Nigeria or abroad, say goodbye to spoiled leaves and unhealthy nylon wraps. Enjoy authentic flavor and easy access all year round. Let's get right in. Alright, in Nigeria we make use of this leaf to prepare our eeran, or at times we use it for moi moi, and it preserves our moi moi and give it very good taste. But on the other hand, we find that preserving this leaf or keeping them fresh is a kind of challenge. Look at this. I bought them from the market and I didn't remember to preserve it using this method. I just kept it somewhere and look at how it went bad. It became colored and it spoiled. Preparing your eeran or your moi moi with this will discolor your moi moi and also affect the taste. If you want your eeran to look like this, white and fluffy, then you go to preserve it this way that I will show you in this video. So I got these two wraps from the market. As you can see, they are very fresh, very fresh. And if you prepare your eeran with this one, your eeran will look whitish. If you prepare your moi moi with this, everything will look fine and red. These tips will help you in preserving your leaves properly. Number one, wash thoroughly before storage, because any dirt somewhere can spoil your leaves easily. Wash thoroughly with salted water. Drain excess water. That's number two. Then number three, trim the stalk like you see me do. Then number four, tie them in portion so that you only defrost the one you need at a time. Like what I'm using for demonstration is just what I will use for at a time. If you have plenty of them, apportion them for one-time use. Pack the leaves in portion that you will typically use for one cooking session. Please remember to like this video. Tell me how you preserve your own leaf in the comment area below, and also share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe too. Thank you. And I will make use of nylon to preserve this leaf. So let's demonstrate it now. Just use any nylon that is available for you. Once it's okay, it's not torn. This is a new nylon that I want to use, but take note of something. This nylon is not as long as my leaf, so I will use another nylon instead. I deliberately did that so that you know the kind of nylon you have to use. So I'm using this longer white nylon to keep my leaf fresh. So I'll just gently fold it and use the twine that came with it to tie it up. So after tying it up like I did, you just insert it into the nylon like you see me do. So you have to cover it up and make sure that everything is properly covered. But you can see that the under stalk, the stick under, or the tail of the leaf is not allowing everything to go inside. What do I do? Should I bend it? It's going to tear my nylon. So what I'll do is I'll cut it off. It's not useful. It's not useful for the moi moi. So I just cut it off like this. Good. So with this now, I can have my leaf properly insert here. So you can see, I'll just tie it up. Make sure that moisture doesn't enter in. And voila, is ready to be stored in the deep freezer. So I will store this one in the freezer and it lasts for months. I've tried it and it really works for me, and since I love fresh leaves, that is how I'll be doing it. So inside my freezer now, I just keep it somewhere there, and that keeps it fresh for me. So if you have watched the video to this end, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in my next video.